Hello viewers, if you are students and you want to take notes on your tablet, in that case Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE and S9 FE Plus will be the best option for students. Tab S9 FE Plus comes with 12.4 inches LCD display. Note taking experience on this tablet is excellent. You can see that there is little bit of latency issue, however you will not feel this if you don't compare it with any other Samsung high-end tablet side by side. This is a normal S Pen. You don't need to charge this S Pen. I feel very happy using this pen. If you closely look at the pen, you can see that Samsung branding on the top of this pen, and there is also a button. You can use this as a rubber while erasing anything that you have written on this note app or on your tablet. It will give you a real pen like experience, and the size of this pen is exactly like a pen. You can multitask using this S Pen, so this is a very handy features. You can do all the productive tasks using S Pen. Touch response of this pen is excellent, as you can see here. Tab S9 FE Plus is also handy for those who wants to read many things on their tablet. Using the Samsung internet browser, you can have a very good reading experience on this Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus. Suppose I want to read this page and I will convert this page into reader mode. So what I have to do, I have to click here, and here I can transform it into reading mode, and you can read, and also you can adjust the size and color of the page like this, and also you can adjust the size of the font. So as per your convenience, you can read whatever page you want to convert into reading mode. Using S Pen, you can do lot of productive tasks. If you click on this, you can see there are many options: create notes, screenshot, smart select, dictionary, clip studio. So you can use these features and make the best use of this tablet. Like you can write anything by selecting the screen, as you can see here. Actually this tablet is very good for students because you are getting the S Pen free of cost inside this box. You don't have to pay any extra amount to get this S Pen. But in case of iPad 10th generation or any other iPad, you have to buy ipencil separately, or at least you have to buy the third-party ipencil by spending around 1.2k or 1.5k. Also with the S Pen, you can see that there are many options. You can change the color and the style of the nib, and as per your preference and convenience, you can do whatever you want to write on the screen. So finally, in the conclusion, if you want to buy a tablet and you want to have the best note-taking experience and also reading experience, in that case Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus should be your pick. It has all the features that is necessary for the students. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.